Okay, we've just cruised down steep hill, down in a gully, then back up and then leveled out, and now we're on a flat terrain. Looks like we're starting to come out of this trek. It's taking us about 30 minutes maybe through difficult terrain, dense jungle. We're hoping that our kayaks are waiting here for us so we don't have to walk back. That's how difficult it was. Wow, look at this cliff. Beautiful. And here we are. And I'm not seeing any kayaks. But look at this cliff.
There it is.
And here we are on this beach. You can see this sheer cliff here. And you can see it's a nice hidden little beach. Looks like some guy's got a little pad over there. Beautiful mountains on the back here. You can see in the distance other little islands all around us. Rocky. Now we're supposed to have a couple kayaks here, but it doesn't seem like they're here. So we're making a call to find out where it's at. See this mountain. See bats flying over. The beach is pretty nice. Lots of little shells. See the mountain up there behind us, and this big cliff. Anyways, if you'd like more information about Palawan, Elnido, Lagen, just go to www.travelonline.ph or just contact us at sales@travelonline.ph and watch for more videos coming soon for Palawan. Thanks and have a great day.